What's up, YouTube? This your boy Scott. I'm back again with another video on the 98 Cutlass. I said 98, my bad, y'all. 94 Cutlass Supreme SL. Right now, I'm getting a fuel tank replacement right now. As you see, you guys, you got a look underneath it. Pretty decent, pretty clean underneath. But yeah, you guys, getting a new fuel pump and a new fuel tank put in. Just the old one, you guys. It's leaking gas, it's rusting out, it's old. You gotta go. On to the new one. The next, you guys, I'm gonna be working on my muffler, get my exhaust did. That video for that is coming soon also. And I got a lot of more surprises for you guys. Got a lot of more surprises for you guys. You guys stay tuned. It'll be well worth it. Peace.